Hey, what's going on everybody? Badger DIY back here again. And today we checking out the Fifine AmpliGame D6. This is a 15-key programmable stream controller designed for creators, streamers, and honestly, anyone who wants a quicker access to their apps and controls. Each key has its own LCD display so you can fully customize icons, shortcuts, and actions, all right at your fingertips. Straight out of the box, you get an user guide, the Fifine AmpliGame D6 itself, and the connection cable. The cable includes an USB-C connection on the device side with a USB adapter included, so you're covered no matter what setup you're using. Setup is very straightforward. You just install the software from finefiremicrophone.com. It's available for both Windows and Mac OS. Assign your actions based on your needs and you're good to go. It's also worth mentioning that inside the software there's a built-in store where you can download different plugins, icons, and even access tutorial sections in case you get stuck. If you've seen higher end streams decks before, this gives you the same kind of experience but at a more affordable price. And before we get started, if you're looking to support the channel, you can do so by buying me a coffee on my Ko-fi page, and of course by dropping a like and subscribe. Now, this is where D6 really fits my setup. I got buttons assigned for YouTube, Jellyfin, Steam, and even the Xbox app, so I can jump straight into media or gaming with a single press. Jellyfin is perfect here for quick access to my media server. YouTube launches instantly, and Steam and Xbox make switching between gaming and media super smooth. I also set up other buttons for system shortcuts, folders, and daily tools that I use most of the time. So honestly, once you start using something like this, it's actually hard to go back. It just makes the entire setup feel more intentional, less cluttered, and a lot more efficient. Of course, a clean setup isn't complete without good audio, so let's talk about the microphone. This is Fifine AmpliGame AM8. It's a dynamic microphone, and on the front you got a single button to start or stop recording. On the other side, you'll notice the RGB lighting. It uses a USB-C connection, but you also get an XLR output if you want to connect it to an audio interface later on. There's also a 3.5mm headphone jack for monitoring, plus physical controls on the side for the mic volume and headphone volume. So you can plug it straight into your PC today or upgrade your setup later without replacing the mic. And because it's a dynamic mic, it does a great job at reducing background noise, which is perfect if you don't have a treated room. You got onboard gain control, a mute button, and real-time headphone monitoring. And this entire voiceover is recorded using the Fifine AM8 plugged in over USB with no fancy processing at all. For the price, it sounds clean, natural, and more than good enough for YouTube streaming or voiceovers. So overall, paired together, the D6 and the AM8 make a really solid combo, and honestly, a great gift for someone who just starts their journey into content creation. I can mute the mic, launch apps, control recordings, and switch tasks instantly without breaking focus. It's simple, practical, and exactly what I want from a DIY creator setup. Now, price wise, the D6 Stream controller comes in around £66 and the AM8 microphone is about £56. So, for under 130 total, you're getting a programmable stream controller and the dual USB and XLR microphone, which is honestly an excellent value. So, final thoughts if you're just starting a journey into YouTube or streaming or just simply want a cleaner and faster workflow, this setup makes a lot of sense. It's affordable, functional, and easy to recommend. Quick transparency note before we wrap up. Fifine did send over the D6 stream controller for review, but the AM8 microphone was purchased by me. As always, all opinions here are my own. Now that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.